Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, 2025 was a year of AI once again for Windows. We are now several years as Microsoft continues its artificial intelligence push to Windows and different apps. And of course, they continued this year, first improving Copilot, making it better and different, and having it used in different ways. They also have integrated the AI in many, many core apps. So, Paint, for example, now has AI capabilities that are actually very useful. A lot of the Copilot features of the AI features available is not only just in the creation of new images, but also in removing objects, changing objects, and doing it in a way that is so easy that even somebody that has no knowledge of playing around with images, it just is the easiest thing in the world. Removing backgrounds, stuff like that. There's also a AI push that was done with the Notepad. Notepad, of course, being the basic editor of text now in Windows. So there are now new things that can be done with the Notepad. There's rewrite. You can do a summary or summarize texts. You can make shorter, longer text. You can change tone, change the format, change so many things. And it's all done with AI. So there's definitely some advantages to AI in many ways. Some people might not like that. There are always some people that don't like it. I think when people say, I don't want AI, I don't see what, I don't use it. I don't see what it can do for me. This is the type of answer that I find uninteresting in a way, because it simply tells me that you actually don't know what AI can do for you. And there are some really cool things that AI can do. And, on the channel here, I get regular comments of, well, I use Copilot for text editing. I use Copilot for all sorts of things. I use AI. And so it is just a question of knowing what AI can do. And of course, yes, AI can be used for bad, but we've got to try to balance out all of this and see what happens. AI is here to stay, and anybody thinking that, for example, Linux distros will not have AI are very wrong, because it is going to happen everywhere. Look at Brave. Brave uses an AI tool now, and it tells you, and it's supposed to be private, but it's interesting how people don't react the same way to AI depending on who is pushing it. And of course, once again, this is where we see that Microsoft has a very hard time with its own image and its own, being trusted by users. But AI into 2026 is going to continue, and it's going to get more and more of it in Windows and future versions of Windows and operating systems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.